Tender meat in 5 minutes. Chinese secret for softening the toughest meat. I will start by cutting 500 grams of meat. I will cut it into slices, but you can cut it into strips as well. Put all the slices in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix well. Cover the bowl and place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. While in the fridge, I will prepare the seasonings. In a bowl, place 2 cloves of crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of pepper, ginger powder, and 1 granulated onion. Mix the seasonings very well. After taking the meat out of the refrigerator, see how shiny it is. Let's remove the baking soda by putting water in the bowl. Take advantage of this moment and tell me from which city or country you are watching us, so I can send you a super hug. After washing the meat, drain all the water and put it on a board. I'll pass some paper towels. Now I will put some salt. In a frying pan, put oil or olive oil. Fry a portion of the meat until golden brown on both sides. Repeat this process with all the pieces. After frying, I will put them all on a plate. Cut an onion into slices. And also cut a bell pepper into slices. I will put oil in a frying pan and fry the onion for about 3 minutes. Next, I will put the bell pepper and fry for another 2 minutes. Put the meat that we fried and add the seasoning that we did previously over the meat. Mix well to add the seasoning to the meat. Fry for 3 more minutes and turn off the heat. The smell is very good. Now our recipe is ready. Put all the meat on a plate and serve with your favorite side dish. See how tender it was, the meat cuts easily. Thanks to everyone who has followed us this far. Until the next recipe.